So I woke up this morning to, I don't know, probably one of the craziest messages from an eBay customer ever. And I'm sure you've gotten some too if you've sold on eBay for any length of time, but I'm going to read it to you because it's funny. This is about a cell phone. So it says, how long does the battery last on continuous talk from fully charged before needing recharging? I don't even know how long my phone can last on continuous talk before it needs recharging. Do you? The next question, how long ago since previous owner have this phone? I have no clue. Did previous owner buy it new? Did previous owner use this phone a lot for talking? Like, I have no idea how long this phone has been talked on before. Says, if 100% is new battery condition, what is this phone battery condition relative to new battery condition? I don't even understand the question. I just would like to gauge how much stress is putting on the phone since previous owner have it. This is the funny one. Is this power port on the phone still good? Will it lose connection while charging and swinging the phone? What do you want to swing a phone for? What would you do if you had all those questions? I'm like, I haven't even had my morning coffee yet, so like I had to wait to respond. So yeah.
Joe. Hey, Joe. Joe is a hobo ho Joe. Joe ho Joe. Hey, Joe. Joe was a hobo ho ho Joe.
Had some busy days yesterday. I think we did, see what we're shipping out this morning. Alright, so busy day yesterday. So we're shipping out 28 items today for, looks like one store. We've got 6 items for $127. And in our other store, we've got 22 items for $782.55. So, I don't know, what is that? 900 bucks, 28 items, 900 bucks. So, it's exciting.
This is our little Sony. It was a good little starter camera, but we've got a circuit issue and it's broken. So I'm really sad about it because it was our first ever vlogging camera and now it is broken. It's broken. So now we've got a really good friend of ours who's let us borrow this setup that I'm using right now. And I'm thinking we were going to try and get this one fixed. And we were going to try and continue using this. But after playing with that camera, we've decided I think we're going to try and get this exact same setup that I'm using now very, very soon. So we'll just resell this guy. He'll still make some good money even with the messed up circuit that we can't. And then we've also got this decent lens as well. So I'm thinking that's what we're going to end up doing. But I'm really sad about it.
Alright, you see all those tablets there. Those were all part of a liquidation lot that we had purchased. And we did an unboxing for that. So I'll put a link down in the description if you want to check out that video. Got a couple of pallet goods. And this is part of one that you will see come March sometime. And got these little yak tracks thing. What those are, you put them on your shoes and helps you walk in the snow and ice. But that come off a pallet, 50 cents for it. And only one other pallet good today is this little iPhone case, 10 bucks, paid 50 cents for it. So we got all these cameras there. Got all these phones right there. All those phones. and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these boxed up.
But quick shop talk question. We normally have some connections for our scrap phones, scrap cameras, you know, just all these electronics things, and we usually sell them by the pound to somebody. But the normal connections that we have, we had a few of them. They have all since fizzled out. We're trying to find new connections. It's a little strange. This one connection that we have, they look totally legitimate. Their website looks legitimate. They seem to be doing really, really well. But they want us to send in our scrap before we receive payment. And I don't really know how I feel about that. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, we don't have any other way to move these items, I guess. All of our normal people have since moved on to other things. Or we had one go out of business, and then we had another one that won't even take scrap in the amount that we carry it. So, I'm wondering. I'm not really quite sure exactly what we're going to do. I'm wondering if we should just give it a try. I mean, I'm kind of leaning towards that simply because, you know, they look legitimate. We've had a few conversations on the phone with them and asked them some questions. It sounds good. But I just don't like the idea of sending off, you know, $600 to $700 worth of scrap and not receiving any payment before it leaves my hands. So, what do you think, Joe?
And we do sell it on eBay, but in very small quantities. It's not enough. Like, we collect more than what we sell. I found various people online that will buy it for like $2 a pound. And I'm like, that's crazy. So this is like the first legitimate offer that I'd consider. It's $3.50 a pound. I used to sell it 3 years ago for $4 a pound. But he's offering $3.50 a pound, and they will pay for shipping, which is extremely helpful because this stuff is expensive to ship. I mean, it'll cost, I don't know, 100 something, probably like $1 a pound to ship. So, you know, that's a pretty good deal.
Yeah, I'm leaning towards going ahead and trying it out. I feel good about it. My gut says it's okay. So I think we'll try it out, but I'm just curious, have you guys had any experiences like this, or what do you think we should do? Okay, so we've got a few errands to run. Thought you'd like to come with us. We want to go to the storage unit, start mapping out some plans of what we're going to do with all of that stuff. I know that the flea market booth did not go as planned, but I know that at some point we're going to get one, and at some point we're going to have to figure out what to do with all of this stuff. So now is a really great time. We have a little bit of extra time. I want to go through, I want to get started on this process so we're not scrambling later on.
Well, our storage unit changed ownership.
Thanks for calling Red Dot Storage. My name's Allison. How can I help you today?
Hi, Allison. How are you doing today?
I'm great. And yourself?
I'm doing great. Hey, I'm trying to get into the gate to get to my storage unit, but my gate code is not working.
All right, let's take a look here.
Yeah, so I guess the main goal right now is we're not going to carry a whole bunch of stuff right now, but we are going to look through, see what we have, figure out how much we have to move, and work it out that way.
All right, so it's not as full as it once was. Not nearly as full. This right here used to be full of stuff, and that's all our the shower panel. It's missing a piece. I gotta get it ordered. You got some stuff there, and then you've got stuff way up there.
We've really done a lot of work.
Yeah, this shelf fell. Oh, I forgot all about that kid's weight bench. That was missing something. So it's a 3D printer right there in that box right there. And I totally forgot we had this. I sold several of those on Facebook Marketplace very quickly. You've got a toilet here. You've got like a storage rack. And just lots of stuff.
See Joe pulling. And so this is the kind of stuff that we would really need.
Yeah. Even if we get $1 for it, it's like a little shower curtain here. Shower curtain. That's socks.
Oh, happy holidays.
We might can send that to somebody. Cooking list. This is just one of the bins.
I mean, it's neat stuff. It's just we can't sell them. We can't move them like this, you know?
I don't know what this is anymore. Amazon small box truckload that we got. That was very profitable, but there's so much of this stuff is in here. But we've got all of these just full. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there was that one there. It's 14. We've got more over here. 15, 16, 17. And then I think we have like 3 or 4 at the house. That's like 20 of these bins that probably have, I don't know, 40, 50 items in it. So a lot of this stuff is stuff that we're wanting to sell at the flea market, along with some of this other stuff. You see, we've got some big boxes back there. That's like furniture stuff. And got like a twin size bed mattress thing there. All kinds of stuff. What is that?
It's a tripod.
Oh, we need a tripod. We don't really need it.
No, but it's not bad. It's a cool looking little tripod.
A little camera. Be stable. We need a good tripod. We've got the little gorilla tripod thing. But it has its pros and its cons. So if you vlog or film whatever and you have a tripod that you like that's kind of like the gorilla, put that in the comment section so that I know and what to look for.
Just want one more to look at. What is this?
You see all these right there? She's just wanting to dig through them now.
I just want to look.
I don't even know. She's got a problem. Gonna be here all day if I don't cut her off.
You gotta get the one more. I was hoping to find the one that has the arts and crafts bin in it.
No, I don't know where that one's at.
It's not heavy, it's just awkward. Mine.
I think that's a wrap for the storage unit. You ready to head home?
Yep, I'm ready to go.